Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tiramisu in a jar. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect dessert every time. We will cover gathering your simple ingredients, preparing the creamy filling, and assembling beautiful individual portions. Get ready to create a classic Italian treat that is both elegant and incredibly simple to prepare for any occasion. It's a delightful dessert everyone will love. First, let's prepare our key components. Brew about 1 cup of strong espresso and set it aside to cool completely. This is crucial for flavor. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine 8 ounces of rich mascarpone cheese with a half cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold in 1 cup of freshly whipped heavy cream until the mixture is smooth and airy. This creates our luscious, creamy filling. Now for the fun part, assembling your jars. Take your ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversaturate them. Place a single layer of these espresso-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of each individual jar. Then spoon a generous amount of your creamy mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a smooth, even layer of cream on top. Aim for about 2 to 3 layers. The final, crucial step is chilling. Place your assembled tiramisu jars in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together and the dessert to set beautifully, creating that perfect texture. Just before you are ready to serve, generously dust the top of each jar with unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, your delightful individual tiramisu jars are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.